Musty odors on laundry can be a seriously stinky problem, especially when those strong musty odors latch onto your clothes and your towels. Well, those musty odors are caused by mildew, a fungus and a type of mold. And that fungus isn't just smelly, it can be hazardous to your health. In this video, we'll cover why those musty smells happen and how to eliminate mildew smell from your clothes once and for all. Hey guys, Dave the Chemist here, Technical Director for OdoBan. Welcome back to the OdoBan channel, where we share science-backed cleaning tips to make life fresh. So musty smell on fabrics is typically the result of stinky mildew byproducts. These include spores as well as mVOCs, or microbial volatile organic compounds. According to the US EPA, the health effects of these are still largely unknown, but exposure to mVOCs has been linked to serious symptoms like headaches and nausea. As mildew grows on fabrics, it releases these stinky volatile compounds into the air, resulting in the tangy, earthy aroma we know as musty smell.
Whoa, that thing is tangy!
You've probably encountered that musty mildew smell on a damp swimsuit or a towel left out after a day at the pool, or maybe a load of laundry you left in the washer too long. No matter where it came from, let's talk about how to get rid of that musty stank. Quick reminder guys, click the like button if you're enjoying this video. It really helps us out. And if you like helpful cleaning videos like this one, click the subscribe button too. That way you'll never miss one of our upcoming new videos. Here are some things you should do to prevent musty odors from happening in the first place. Never leave damp clothes and towels in warm, unventilated spaces. Heated spaces with little airflow are perfect breeding grounds for mold and mildew. That's why clothing left in a washing machine can turn stinky, and why it's always a good idea to dry your clothes as soon as you're done washing them. Next, dirty clothes hampers are another place that mildew loves to grow. So if it's going to be a few days before you get to the laundry, spray your clothing and towels with OdoBan before you toss them in the hamper. If your clothes already smell like mildew, we'll deal with that in a second. It's probably no surprise that a stinky washing machine can contribute to stinky laundry. So I recommend regularly cleaning the exterior rubber gaskets on your washing machine. They can be a breeding ground for mold and mildew, especially on a front-loading machine. Simply spray those surfaces down with OdoBan and wipe clean to prevent buildup and odor. If your machine still smells funny, a full machine clean may be necessary, but we'll link to a video on that at the end. If mildew odors are already on your clothes, let's talk about how to get rid of those musty odors for good. But first, a quick note about vinegar. Vinegar is shown in a lot of how-to videos, but it's not a great solution for getting rid of mildew smell. Why? Well, because the acetic acid in vinegar is very similar to those smelly mVOCs that mildew makes in the first place. So, here's a better way. To get rid of stubborn, musty odors on clothes, first you need to remove the mildew living on your fabric surface. Washing clothes and towels can typically remove those lingering mold particles. Step number 1. Wash those musty clothes in an extended cycle using warm or hot water, depending on the color and the type of fabric. Use your normal laundry detergent, but don't use too much. You don't want to leave residue on the fabric that can trap in those musty odors. Avoid using fabric softener for the same reason. Plus, the fabric softener can trap those bad odors in your washing machine itself. Next, let the load run as normal, but add 1 cup of OdoBan concentrate to the final rinse. Or, if you have a fabric softener dispenser on the machine, simply fill it with OdoBan and the machine will handle it for you. Then, transfer those washed clothes to the dryer immediately and dry them thoroughly. Or if it's a sunny, dry day, you can always hang them outside on the line. It's a great solution. Either way, don't let those damp clothes sit. When they're completely dry, the smell should be gone for good. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.